Hey folks, welcome back to Eddie's Speed Garage. I'm Ed. This is my 2019 Honda Passport. It's new to us, so you know it comes with the new cars, new projects. So what we got here are the WeatherTech mud flaps for the 2019 Passport. I put the Honda original ones on my Pilot. I like them, they look good. Just wanted to see what these things would look like. They weren't bad. They were about $90 on eBay. So let's get started and I'll show you how to do it. What you get in the box, you get a left and right mud flap. These are for the front. And two pairs of bolts that are going to screw into your push pins that are there. So let's get started with the install. All right, so the two bolts that it came with are going to screw into these two push pins here. You're going to take out and reuse those two screws. This fits right in there, just like that. It's a good fit. Let's get started. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and take these two screws out. They want you to turn the wheel to the direction that you're working on. Makes it a lot easier to get in here. If you didn't have an impact gun, it'd be perfect for a screwdriver. This is definitely going to make things a lot easier. So you take those two screws out. Up, and you got these two. You're going to screw right into your push tabs, like I said. And this is where the impact's going to come in handy. Those two screwed in and you're done. All right guys, so this is the rear one. It doesn't come with any hardware. It did come with a plastic strip to protect the paint, but it's all plastic. I don't know why you would want to use it. For this one, you're going to want to use some sort of stubby screwdriver. There's no hardware, like I said, that comes with it. You just reuse what's already there. Take out 3 screws. The wrong way. One. Two. And then go ahead and put these back in, just leave them loose so that you can have some room to work underneath. So there's 2 screws under here. There's an outboard one and an inboard one. You want to use the inboard most one. Back. Reinsert your screw. Now we can start tightening everything up. And there you have it. You don't really need any special tools. You don't need to jack the vehicle up. It took about 5 minutes to install this one side. The other side is just the reverse. When I'm done with this, I'll take it outside, I'll park it next to my Pilot, and I'll do a side-by-side comparison so you guys can see the difference between the WeatherTech and the Honda. All right, so this is what they look like on the Pilot. They're quite a bit smaller, a little bit more contoured towards the body lines. Just you know, that kind of maybe makes it look better, but they're not as wide as the tires, so they don't really stop all the spray. So we'll come over here to these. I don't know how well you can see them. They're longer, they stick out a little bit further. I think they're going to perform better at protecting the sides of the body, and they look a little bit more aggressive. So if I had to choose which one I would do again next time, I'd probably go with WeatherTech. All right, this is Eddie Speed Garage. Like and subscribe. Catch us next time. We'll be putting some Honda factory running boards on this Passport. Catch you later.